Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock 'em up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
Looky. He got the 78 Malibu with the 383 stroker. I done drove him. Like I said, man, he drives him every day. How many miles you think you done put on it so far?
About 400.
He said about 400. So you almost 500. At 500 miles, you ready to go. 500 miles, you ready to change. You know, that's the break-in, right? So he should be at 500. I'm going to take him down the road, man. We're going to take it down the road. Got them brand new BF Good wrench on the back. What'd you do with the sticker? Oh, we got to show y'all that. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. I got to get some more. I'm out. But let's go for a ride. Yeah, man. So here we are. Man, I got this dang on tripod for my phone, man. It ain't very good. But anyway, here, let's go. Let's get started up. Yeah, 78 Malibu. Oh, Malibu. We take it for a ride, man. We'll put the motor in, and generally, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Generally, my uncle does not let nobody drive his cars. I mean, nobody. So I'm pretty lucky on this one, man. Pretty lucky. Y'all hear him? Pretty lucky. Yeah, man. These things sound good. Sounds good, man. He out here taking pictures of himself. He done drove him out to Amish country, y'all. I call it Amish country. Amish country. Man, y'all hear that cam? Y'all hear that cam? Now mind y'all, he done from my house to his house is probably about 47 miles or so. So, you know, he's putting the miles on him. She runs good, man. So nice. Shifting nice. Real nice, y'all. I'm looking for that other gear. With it being a 350 turbo and so used to driving 480Es and 60Es, man. Oh, yeah, she's nice. I say his speedo is off, though. He'll run it up to about 70, say 60. My neighbors, you gotta check them out. Neighbors. I say I live in Amish country, y'all. I do. I really do, man. I really do. And I try not to crowd them, man. You know, the horses are, they used to traffic, but you know what I mean? I try to give them their space. They pulling over for me. That's nice. go down here and turn around. This is my little test run, y'all. My little test run. I'm like it. I like the car. Like I said, it does wonders, man. It's a real nice setup. That 383 stroke with 400 turbo trans. It's feels like it's got plenty of power. And I mean plenty of power. Like I said, it's not a race car, it's just a cruiser, man. Nice. That was 3-speed, man. I'm not used to the street 3-speed very much though. Nope. I'm not used to that very much. At all. But hey, it's cool when you build something, man, you be able to take it out, drive it. That's what we doing. That's what he does. I think he said he got about another 100 more miles to put on it. Man, that's what we gonna do. So we got more Amish up through here. They loaded. I think they going to school, coming out from school, getting out of school. Yeah. They want me to do burnouts and all that good stuff, but it's not my car, so. And these are brand new tires. So he said he was gonna lay some black marks before he put new tires on it, but he ain't did it. He ain't did it. So let's see if I can get a flyby or drive-by or whatever they call it. Let's see. Out of here, y'all. He let me drive it. I'm surprised, man, because he ain't on that, man. He ain't on that, man, letting people drive his cars. So that's a big plus for me. You know, we would tell him to hit. I would tell him to get on it a little bit, but I doubt he will. Moving right along, moving right along. 383 stroker in the Malibu. Hey, old school still works. Old school still works. Personal preference, you know what I mean? It don't have to be an LS all the time. You know, that was a personal preference of his, and that's what he got, and he's enjoying it. And that's the name of the game. You know, build what you want and enjoy it. Hey, appreciate y'all rocking with me. Swaps out.